Fix it fast. If you filled your Instant Pot Duo past the maximum line and it's already cooking, do not open the lid or touch the steam release handle. Here's exactly how to fix it safely without burns or damage. Step 1. Press cancel immediately. Let the pot sit untouched until the float valve drops completely on its own. This takes 20 to 40 minutes. Do not try to speed this up. Using quick release when overfilled forces hot food through the valve at high pressure and causes serious burns. Step 2. Once the float valve drops all the way down, open the lid tilted away from your face. Never tilt it toward you. Use a ladle to remove food until you reach the 2/3 line marked inside the pot. For rice, beans, or pasta, remove food until you reach the 1/2 line. Step 3. Remove the anti-block shield from the underside of the lid. Check for food stuck in it or in the steam release valve opening. Rinse the shield clean and put it back. Food from overfilling clogs these parts and stops the pot from releasing pressure properly next time. Step 4. Before restarting, check your liquid level. The Duo needs at least 375 milliliters of liquid to build pressure safely. If you remove too much liquid with the food, add water or broth back in. A liquid measuring cup with milliliter markings helps you add the exact amount without guessing. If you caught the overfill before pressing start, skip step 1 and just remove the excess food in step 2. If this helped you fix an overfilled Instant Pot and save your meal, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a liquid measuring cup, I've linked one below. Accurate measurements prevent overfilling and help you add back the right amount of liquid after removing food. Thanks for watching, and respect the line.